lahat ng item at data.
Kompleto yan because yan yung magiging basis ng legislation eh.
Correct.
You cannot have a legislation that has blanks.
Correct.
And the basis is the Bicameral Conference Committee report. In my 15 years in Congress, wala akong na-encounter pa na blank items except ngayon lang. Itong sa 2025 GAA.
Correct. And that is exactly why we are raising this question. Bakit may blanco sa bicameral report? As you've said, this is the first time and very important kasi kung blanco yun doon, and I think maraming nga nagsasabi na these are just fabricated, trying to sow intrigue and controversy. But the truth of the matter is, Kung Sid, hindi lang naman ikaw yung nagsabi, actually, from last week, na may blanco nga. Even some lawmakers now are coming out and saying na may nakita nga sila na